Okay guys, we're going to go into another exercise that you can do either before you start training or after, or you can do it on your days that are off. It's a bicep tendon stretch. It's aimed at loosening up an area through the front of your shoulder, and it's usually when you've been doing a lot of pressing or a lot of shoulder work or boxing, or also if you're doing a lot of work in front of the camera. So Dana's going to demonstrate. All you need to do firstly is come down into a lying position onto the ground. Once she's down there, she's going to bring the shoulder that's tight. She's going to bring that up at 45-degree angles there. So that there is the position that you want to get. Now depending on what range you want, sometimes it will be lower to start with, or it can be a little bit higher, but 45 is the optimal that you want. Once in that position there, she then internally rotates that hand and she's aiming at trying to get her pinky finger onto the ground. So that's the position that you want. That's going to cause a stretch through that front of that tendon. Once she's there, she brings her left hand underneath the shoulder, which it is at the minute, and then she's going to slowly rotate back on her leg so she comes back to that position there. Now once she's there, she forces a stretch through the tendon, but we want to find a position that she has all points of contact onto the ground. So if her head is slightly up, and usually it is with clients, we'll relax the head there. And also we find people are very tight through the hip region, we will relax the knee and the foot, so we have all points of contact so the body can relax. So we make sure that the stretch is going through that bicep tendon. If they can't feel that stretch, you can slightly adjust either higher or lower. If it's too much, either make the range, decrease the range as you go through. The sequence of the breathing, same again, big breath in, big breath out, try and relax the body. You want to approximately about five breaths. However, you can stay there as long as you want. Once you've done that, you can change on the other side. Once you've finished the stretch, you slowly come out of the stretch. Slowly come out of it. Slowly come out of the stretch. Slowly untangles, releases. And that there is the bicep tendon stretch. You can do that either before or after. 2 to 3 times a week, depending on how that feels.